So when you 3D print, a lot of times you're melting plastic and then dropping it down in little strings to make designs. So whoop, social blunder. I printed these for my wife last night. They're going to be gifts. I will put a link in the description of the video so you can go on to Maker World, which is Bambu Labs studio, and grab the file if you desire. It's free to use. So this is how it came off the printer, and you'll see there's all these supports that hold up kind of parts of the file as it's printing. So if you know 3D printing, you know the pain of removing supports. If you're new to 3D printing or you've never done it before, this is kind of what you have to do every single time you print something. But when you're done, you got something cool, a nice keepsake or a gift you can give to a friend. It's just, it's one of my fun hobbies. It's also very oddly satisfying to take all that stuff off when you're done printing. So if you get into 3D printing, get you some nice little snips like this. They're very helpful. But you saw what it looked like? Now we have a little baby dragon.